Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Motorola Razr 70 Plus. First, we want to check the volume level and the settings. So that's why we open up the settings app. Here we go over into sound and vibration. And once we're here, we want to make sure that the media and the call volume are turned all the way to the right. So this is basically the max setting. Now what are we going to do is we're going to clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. You can also use an air compressor, and you can even try a microfiber cloth, but I don't think that it would do its job. Here basically we have, let me quickly just pick up the phone. Here we have the speaker grills. That's why we want to make sure that they are clean, and if they are basically stuffed with something like dirt or debris, then they can automatically be muffled, and that's why we simply want to make sure that we clean them so they are not blocking any sound. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over into connected devices and click on connection preferences. Here tap on Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. We do that to make sure that audio is not rerouted from any other device to, from this device to any other. And for example, it could be even your headphones, speakers, earphones, car, and etc. So that's why we want to make sure that there's Bluetooth disabled for the time of testing. And now what are we going to do is we're going to restart our phone to refresh the system. That's why we press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let me quickly do that again. The case is preventing me from pressing it right, but we finally got it. Now we can click on a restart, and I'll get back to you once the phone is enabled back. Now after the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and update our software to fix any issues with our speaker. So we need to open up settings and scroll down until we see system, not system but system updates. We tap check for updates here, and it is automatically checking for the latest version. As you guys can see, I'm on the latest version of the software, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important so that you can keep up with new updates and you get rid of any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.